You have cyber insurance. You pay your premiums. You think you're protected. But here's what your insurance company isn't telling you. They're looking for reasons not to pay. 44% of cyber insurance claims get denied. Not because the attack wasn't real, because businesses failed security requirements they didn't even know existed. Insurers now demand proof, multi-factor authentication everywhere, endpoint detection on every device, tested backups, documented training. Miss one requirement, they void your policy completely. Coleman Technologies ensures you meet every requirement insurers demand. We implement the controls, maintain the documentation, and prove your compliance. If disaster strikes, your claim gets paid. Don't discover your insurance gaps after an attack. We're Coleman Technologies, and we offer Greater Vancouver businesses a free cyber insurance compliance assessment. Find out if you're truly covered before it's too late.